Hap, H-A-P. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, chance or fortune, luck. Example sentence, it was mere hap that led them to discover the hidden treasure. Synonyms, chance, fortune, luck. Antonym, misfortune, bad luck, ill fate. Haphazard, H-A-P-H-A-Z-A-R-D. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, lacking organization, order, or planning, random or chaotic. Example sentence, the haphazard arrangement of books on the shelf made it difficult to find a specific title. Synonyms, random, arbitrary, disorganized. Antonym, systematic, organized, planned. Hapless, H-A-P-L-E-S-S. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, unfortunate or unlucky, experiencing or characterized by bad luck. Example sentence, the hapless victim of the accident suffered severe injuries. Synonyms, unfortunate, unlucky, unlucky. Antonym, fortunate, lucky, blessed. Harangue, H-A-R-A-N-G-U-E. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning, noun, a lengthy and aggressive speech or verbal attack, verb, to deliver a lengthy and aggressive speech. Example sentence, the politician delivered a fiery harangue against his opponents. Synonyms, noun, tirade, diatribe, rant, verb, lecture, berate, scold. Antonym, noun, praise, accolade, compliment, verb, praise, commend, compliment. Harass, H-A-R-A-S-S. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to persistently annoy, bother, or torment someone, to subject someone to aggressive pressure or intimidation. Example sentence, the employee filed a complaint against her coworker for constantly harassing her. Synonyms, annoy, bother, torment. Antonym, aid, assist, support. Harbinger, H-A-R-B-I-N-G-E-R. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a person or thing that signals or foreshadows the arrival or approach of something. Example sentence, the blooming flowers were seen as the harbinger of spring. Synonyms, herald, precursor, omen. Antonym, follower, result, consequence. Harbor, H-A-R-B-O-R. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning, noun, a place of shelter or refuge, verb, to give shelter or refuge to someone or something. Example sentence, the coastal town had a picturesque harbor for docking boats. Synonyms, noun, port, haven, refuge, verb, shelter, house, accommodate. Antonym, noun, expanse, openness, exposure, verb, expel, eject, abandon.
Copyright, Cogent Insights.
Hardy, H-A-R-D-Y. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, strong and robust in constitution or character, able to endure difficult conditions. Example sentence, the hardy mountaineer climbed the treacherous peak without hesitation. Synonyms, robust, strong, resilient. Antonym, weak, fragile, delicate. Harping, H-A-R-P-I-N-G. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning, noun, the act of persistently talking or complaining about something, verb, to persistently talk or complain about something. Example sentence, his constant harping on the same issue became tiresome for everyone. Synonyms, noun, complaining, nagging, ranting, verb, complain, nag, dwell. Antonym, noun, praise, compliment, contentment, verb, praise, compliment, accept. Harrowing, H-A-R-R-O-W-I-N-G. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, extremely distressing, disturbing, or painful. Example sentence, the survivors recounted the harrowing experiences they had during the war. Synonyms, distressing, traumatic, agonizing. Antonym, comforting, soothing, pleasant. Harry, H-A-R-R-Y. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to persistently harass, annoy, or torment someone, to pursue relentlessly. Example sentence, the paparazzi would harry the celebrity wherever she went. Synonyms, harass, pester, bother. Antonym, aid, assist, support. Hatch, Hatch. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to bring forth or produce young from an egg by incubation, to devise or plot a plan or scheme. Example sentence, the bird patiently sat on its eggs, waiting for them to hatch. Synonyms, incubate, breed, devise. Antonym, suppress, prevent, hinder. Haughtiness, Haughtiness. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the quality of being arrogantly superior or disdainful, arrogance or pride. Example sentence, her haughtiness made it difficult for her to make friends. Synonyms, arrogance, pride, snobbery. Antonym, humility, modesty, humbleness. Haunt, Haunt. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, verb, to visit or appear often in the thoughts or memory of someone, noun, a place frequented by a ghost or spirit. Example sentence, the memories of their childhood adventures haunted them throughout their lives. Synonyms, verb, torment, obsess, preoccupy, noun, ghost, specter, apparition. Antonym, verb, forget, neglect, abandon, noun, sanctuary, refuge, retreat. Haven, Haven. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a place of safety, refuge, or shelter, a harbor or port. Example sentence, the small coastal village was a peaceful haven away from the bustling city. Synonyms, refuge, sanctuary, shelter. Antonym, expanse, openness, exposure.